Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use labels in Google Keep in 2026. Labels are a great way to organize your notes into different categories, making it easier to find important notes whenever you need them. So let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser and create a new note. Give the note a title, such as Study Notes. Next, click the More Options menu, which is the three-dot icon at the bottom of the note, and select Add Label. If you don't have a label yet, click Create New Label, type a name such as Study, and create it. Now select the study label for your note. The label will be attached to the note automatically. To view all notes with the same label, click the study label from the left sidebar. You'll see every note that belongs to that category. You can also add the same label to multiple notes, which helps you organize study notes, work notes, personal notes, or project notes more efficiently. Finally, use the search bar at the top to quickly find notes by typing the label name. That's how to use labels in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.